Good afternoon. It's time for cooking class. I hope you're enjoying your time, being safe. The first thing I always say to you before using the kitchen is get permission. Then wash your hands and get your supplies out. Today, we're using a variety of things, but we're making apple donuts. It's sort of a tricky name though. It's not actually a donut. It's an apple with a core out of the center, and you slice it so it looks like a donut. You say. They're really good though. So we have some red apples and some green apples. You can use an apple of your choice. Get somebody to help you take the core out and slice it. Then you can use any variety of toppings. We have some caramel topping, Nutella. Nutella, love it. We also have some granola, peanut butter, and you can use some graham crackers and crumble them up. And we have some chocolate chips you can use for toppings. The cold things we have in the refrigerator, we have some cream cheese and some whipped cream you can also put on them. And decorate them up how you choose. Even sprinkles would do. And then you will have a nice snack. Enjoy.